Hi guys, it's me, Essie Magic, and today I want to show you a video from when I went to New Orleans for the first time. Did I just say New Orleans? No, I said it wrong. New Orleans. Yeah, you gotta say New Orleans, otherwise they'll know you're not from there. So today's video is from when I went to New Orleans, and sometimes I film videos and then don't really know when to post it. So this is one of those videos that I went to in 2018. I went for the Collision conference, and so I thought I would share it with you now. I know some of you would still enjoy watching it, so that is the next clip you're gonna see. Before we get to that though, I do want to remind you that I release videos every Thursday and Saturday, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the new videos. Hit the notification bell, and yeah, with that being said, enjoy my first trip to New Orleans. Oh, why do I keep saying New Orleans? Oh my gosh, New Orleans. Okay, bye. Keep being magic. Hi guys, I am in New Orleans. Take a look, right by the water. I'm here for a conference, and I'm also here for the jazz festival, and I'm here just to explore and have fun for the first time. I'm so excited. Let's go. So I just came from this restaurant. It's right behind me, and it was actually really good. Not actually, I expected it to be good, but I had this rice bean Cajun thing, which is what this part of town is known for, and it was so I don't usually like too much beans and rice, but like cooked in a really soggy way, but it was like really good. So we just picked up a whole bunch of beignets. New Orleans is known for their beignets. I think Kim Kardashian even talked about it once. But anyway, we got it. Hopefully it tastes good. I don't know why I'm saying hopefully. It's gonna taste good for sure. So anyway, just give you an update. This is New Orleans at night. It's crazy. Take a look. Literally everything is open. Literally every single thing is open. Food, bars, drinks, whatever you want, it's available for the taking. The most fancy CVS I've ever seen here in New Orleans. So I am at the Collision conference right now. It is quite a big conference. A lot of people, a lot of booths, lots of different talks and summits and speakers. And yeah, it's really cool for the first time coming. I'm a little bit overwhelmed because there's just so much to do here. But overall, it's looking really good. First time coming to New Orleans as well. So it was a 2-for-1 deal. So I'm excited that I came.
So that we are engaging every customer, we are activating every employee, and we are optimizing every...
My legacy is written, however many years from now. What did I do to make this a better world?
We're seeing other versions of those augmented reality apps come out this year.
In the interesting state that media as a whole is in right now.
So guys, just to give you an idea of how the conference goes, there's like tons of vendors over here giving different types of swag for putting your email there or whatever, playing a game. I don't usually collect any swag anymore because over time I found it turns to garbage and I just need to throw it all away. It's just a bunch of junk most of the time. And then they have lounges. There's a partner lounge. There's a woman in tech lounge. Yeah, so there's different things. There's people in a booth there. Don't know what they're doing, but it looks interesting. Yeah. It just keeps going on and on. They're doing interviews over here. Yeah, so that just gives you an idea.
All right.
This won't hurt a bit. Got a great panel for you, a great topic, the evolving art of storytelling.
So now I'm back on Bourbon Street in the daytime. We came here in the nighttime yesterday. Oh no, the day before. And now we're about to go try some of the best oysters in town. I don't usually eat oysters, but I will eat it if they say it's the best in the city. So I will show you exactly what they look like when we get them. Oh, and the place is called Acme Studios. So, not studios, oh my gosh, I'm confused with a cartoon. Oh my god, but anyway, so it's called Acme. In case any of you guys visit New Orleans later and you want to come, you'll be able to reference this video. So there you can see Bourbon Street in the day. I don't know what that man is doing. I think he's like an angel or something. I don't know. That's New Orleans for you. Finished having the oysters. It was so good. I admit I cheated though because I had cooked oysters, not the raw ones.
Put this rap song, put it together so smooth. I see he handed the mighty greens on here to my sister, put it on right there, right on the spot. Just with these, we're taking it back to this is hip hop.
So there you guys have it. This is New Orleans at night. It's very different from in the day. Actually, no, it's kind of similar in the day too. People are just partying 24/7, day or night. Guys, isn't that so cool? They have a market in the night. It's like a farmer's market at night with like artwork and stuff.
Okay, my criteria is raw, you know what I mean? This is it. At the end of the day, we look for talent that don't need hype, and a lot of what you're gonna be doing in the beginning that we feel is physically showing up to places and performing.
Hey guys, so now I'm in downtown New Orleans. Downtown New Orleans is very different from everything we saw before, like Bourbon Street, Frenchmen Street. Downtown New Orleans looks like a real proper downtown. Just look. Yeah, so you can see all the buildings. There's a huge building up there. Look at that. So yeah, we're going to a party. Hey guys, so now I'm at a private party, more networking, cocktailing. Look at the view. It's downtown New Orleans.
shake.